Hello everyone, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of nostalgia with a product that's sure to take you back in time, the old-fashioned traditional portable manual typewriter. Let's get started. Now, let me paint a picture for you. That's what you get with this traditional manual typewriter. Manufactured by MEGLOB, this typewriter is a beautiful blend of vintage aesthetics and modern functionality. It's portable, so you can take it anywhere, whether you're working in a remote cabin in the woods or just want to add a touch of nostalgia to your office space. Let's talk about some key features. Firstly, it's built to last with a sturdy vintage metal body. Weighing about 4.5 kilograms and measuring approximately 30 by 30 by 10 centimeters, it's compact enough to carry around yet substantial enough to feel durable. Using this typewriter is a breeze. Just open the box, insert a piece of paper, and start typing away. There's no need to worry about starting up, batteries, or power outlets. It's always ready when you are. Now, here's a fun detail. The typewriters are intentionally designed to have a handmade old-fashioned effect. You might notice some rust spots, sweat stains, and imitation dust, but don't worry, it's all part of the charm. And let's not forget about accessories. This typewriter comes with a dedicated carrying case lid, making it even easier to transport. Plus, if you need replacement ribbons, they're readily available to keep your typing experience smooth. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, you can find it on Amazon.com. Just search for the old-fashioned traditional portable manual typewriter by MEGLOB. And that wraps up our review of the old-fashioned traditional portable manual typewriter. Whether you're a seasoned typist or just curious to try something new, this typewriter is sure to add a touch of nostalgia to your writing experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy typing!